Now, the main purpose of technical analysis is for you to get a good entry and exit confirmations and to detect the market direction. That's the main purpose of technical analysis. Whether you're trading SMC, whether you're trading ICT, you are a zone trader, you're a structure trader, whether you're trading turtle soup, whatever strategy you're trading, watch this video to get a glimpse or tip on how to improve on your entry and exit models.
Let's be real, most traders understand smart money concepts, but they are still struggling with entries. It's either they take their entries too early, too late, or at the wrong place entirely. So make sure you watch this video to the very end, because at the end of this video, I'll be able to open your eyes on how to take entries from the safest spot on the chart, how to take that refined entry and get beautiful point of interest that would dish out the move for you. So watch to the very end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's go to the chat, guys. So traders, when it comes to entry, I have two entry models that I work with, and they are the aggressive entry and the confirmation entry. So make sure you watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to pick them one after the other.
For me, I have two entry models: aggressive entry models and conservative entry models. And you have to be realistic, right? And you need to know the type of confirmations and what market condition you should be trading aggressively. Aggressively is when I see a good trade and my entry confirmation is at my point of interest and I'm going so aggressive on that trade, stacking big lots. And conservative entry model is when the confirmation for that trade is not clear enough, clarity, so I give the market room to play. This is where now a trader should know when to get a tighter stop loss and when to get a very large stop loss. From what she's saying here, she's just talking about confirmations to be looking before entering a trade, but that's not what entry and exit is all about. Entry and exit is all about how you approach the market, conservatively or aggressively. For me personally, I have two models to approach the market, conservatively and aggressively. You should know that it is not, you shouldn't have same risks, or you shouldn't have same lot size or same way to approach every single trade, because sometimes the market can come and the entry confirmations are not clear enough. So at that point now, you need to cross check if you should approach this market conservatively. You give the market room to play, or you approach it aggressively, have a tighter stop loss, stacking massive lot sizes for the market to go to your direction. If you are a trader, you should work on entry and exit. I was good on directional bias. I was very good with directional bias, but I was lacking with entry and exit for the first year of my trading career, and partly even the second year. Half of my second year, I was still struggling to find my way with entry and exit, but I was so good with my directional bias, directional confirmations, but entry and exit confirmation, I wasn't at it.